How can you simply enable Copilot in your Windows 11 PC or laptop? Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. And in this video, we are simply going to tell you the steps or step-by-step guide by which you can enable your Copilot in your Windows 11 updated PC. How to do that? In order to do that, we first open our notepad on our PC here, right here. As you can see, I have already opened notepad here. What I have to do is just enter a coding in this notepad menu. I will simply paste the coding. You can also copy this coding, take a screenshot, or you can also pause the video and paste this coding into your laptop or PC. Also, you can create this coding from ChatGPT. Just simply enter how to enable Copilot in Windows 11 coding for my laptop, and you will receive all the coding with ChatGPT. Simply copy that coding and enter it in your notepad. The second step after entering this coding, you have to file and save this format. Click on the left top of your notepad here, and as you can see guys, this is the coding. You can simply take a screenshot or copy this coding after taking a photo of it. So I've entered the coding right here, and what I have to do is click on the left top corner of this notepad screen called file button. Click on that. After clicking on it, you will see a lot of options, but you have to select the third option called save as. Whenever you will click on save as, the file will be going to save in your PC in your file manager of your my computers. So what we need to do is just rename the file with enable copilot enable underscore copilot dot ps1 and save this file with this name. After doing this, the third step is to go on my computers, click on your documents, search on your documents, and just search this document you have saved just right now. The name is copilot underscore enable dot ps1. If you find this file, just click right from your mouse on that. 2 clicks, you will find a menu called run as a PowerShell, the third option. Just click on that. So whenever you will click on the run with PowerShell, whenever you will run this saved file of this notepad with PowerShell, it will redirect you to the main page of this website. I hope you enjoy this video, or if you find this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing solutions or update like this. Thank you so much for watching the video.